Hey guys, Midship Apex here. We're doing a install video for the rear bumper exit exhaust on a 2ZZ swapped Mr2 Spyder. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. We're fairly new to the whole YouTube thing, minus, well, with the exception of watching, you know. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and you know, let's get to it. All right, here. This is what we're doing today. And if you don't know what this is, read. It's an exhaust. All right. Got some hardware. Okay. Sticker. Got some V-band clamps. Pretty good. Huh? Huh?
Very saucy.
All right. Saucy. Okay.
Oh, it would look pretty good.
They look pretty nice, yeah. You already know.
Sounds like a mating call. Like a
All right, so we got the crash bar, one side of it. Okay. Not too bad. It's pretty good. Put this here.
Hey man, we don't pollute, bro.
We don't pollute.
Just the air.
The exhaust we're about to.
Exactly, just the air.
All right, here's the other side. I guess.
Yeah, it's just gonna slide through and it has like a pin through it.
Yeah. Join them together. You know.
Looks nice.
Like this is Wolverine and that's Deadpool, and they just make one. Yeah. All right. Got the other side of the exit. You know, it's like one of those things at the playground where you like look.
Oh yeah, like a periscope.
Submarine periscope thing. Yeah. And last but not least, this bad boy. Right,
so it looks like a really just a simple take the old and put the new in with
pretty
not
much.
too much parts in there.
Yeah, no. Looks pretty good. Welds look great, actually.
Yeah,
on this bottom one, anyway. Could see through in there. Pretty neat.
So shiny.
It
You
is
sure
very-
you want this shiny stuff on your car, Paul? I mean, we've seen the car.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with a little bit of shininess.
I didn't know birds could shit in your inside of your wheel well, but you know.
Dude, I didn't know either. Oh, what is this?
I think, yeah, it's a plate, your license plate bracket.
Ah, need one of those.
Yeah, very important.
Cool. All right, well, let's put this here, the box, you know. Do we need anything else in here?
We'll hang on to it just in case we have to return it back to England.
Yes, just in case. All right, let's put this on. And just so you guys know, it's always good to have a pickup truck where, you know, you can work out of, because it's not like we have a garage.
As you can tell. There's Javi working on a GTS Celica, doing CV axles.
Yep.
And there's the waiting room right there. Right next to a dumpster.
So what we got going on here, guys?
Yeah, just basic maintenance. Axle change.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
It's part of the maintenance.
Part of the maintenance, the daily maintenance.
Daily axle.
That's it.
Daily axle.
You're
racing a minivan? I love this bumper.
Actual package, baby.
How's the
Can't go wrong.
MRS?
It's chilling, bro.
Yeah, so he remembers that when you speak Patrick. I'm Nix.
Oh, the blue one? Oh, I thought you were talking about the yellow one. No. No one remembers the yellow one. Everyone remembers that blue one. I'm gonna change the color.
Yeah.
I'm gonna-
Nick did that.
How's the wing?
I'm gonna
Is it still like finicky?
It's I managed to tighten it up and seal it, but like the paint job is like it's cracked. It's fucked. It's aftermarket. But I can't really blame it on aftermarket. It's really the body shop.
Yeah.
Because the material is material. It's just the shape. But it's there. It's protected. It's got the Nelson's old seats in it now. It's not the other seats. And then fixed everything that the other kid did. Yeah. Fixed a good guy, but damn, man.
I mean, he didn't do it. It was Michael.
Like the one thing you're not supposed to do with an MRS
The
is
water.
park it under a fucking tree.
Oh.
Never park an MR2 Spyder under trees. You will fucking clog the drains and you'll have water inside of your car.
Tell us
Don't
how
ever
you
fucking do it.
really feel, bro.
It drives me nuts.
He's being honest.
I'm being 100% honest. It drives me nuts. Everyone's like, oh, I'm protecting the paint. No, get a fucking car cover, bro. Just don't park it under a tree. You clog the drains. That's it. You get a $30 cover from fucking AutoZone or Walmart, and you're fine.
Stop being half-assed.
There you go. You see? See, speaking of half-ass.
I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell him.
I hope you're recording that.
Fuck.
It moved? Alright, hold on. I'll hold it in place.
Right there.
Well, don't fuck with that side. Now you gotta tighten the other side, dude.
Yeah. Well, this other side's already tightened, so
Like all the way?
not all the way, but it's tight for him so it don't move.
It's there.
You're good. The fucker's gonna follow me?
The car, maybe. Hit it.
what's next on the car?
What's next? Build some side vents for some extra suction. You know, intake noises. I gotta get it repainted though.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All I need is a polishing, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry, polishing.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I do want it to be black, cause it's better than blue, right?
Yes. It'll match the hardtop.
Yes, sounds good?
Absolutely, dude.
Yeah.
It looks really good too.
I gotta wait for the oil to heat up so I can lift.
Yeah, exactly.